Let's learn how to cut out an image in Canva. I'm Christina, and this is the Social Media Strategy Lab. Running my six-figure content creation business, I've learned all sorts of tips and tricks to make content faster, and I'm going to share everything I've learned with you. Today, specifically, we're looking at how to cut out an image in Canva. So this is a recent thumbnail I created for YouTube, and you can say I have this precisely cut out image of me. I'll also show you how to put an outline around this image if you want. So let's delete that original so that we can start from scratch. So first you're going to pick your image. So just add that to the image. And then you're simply going to check BG Remover. So this will appear when the image is selected, and just select that. And it removes the background. 9 times out of 10, this is all you're going to need to do. But in this case, it kept this keyboard here, and I don't want that. So I'm going to select BG Remover again. And then this screen is opened where I can either erase or restore something else in the image. I don't need to restore anything here. I only need to erase. So I'm going to start with a small brush size so I can get a nice clean line to remove the bottom of that image. It doesn't have to be perfect in this case because it's going to go on the bottom. And once I've gotten the part that needs to be done a little more precisely, I make the brush size bigger and I can quickly erase the rest of that keyboard. Once I have everything erased, I simply click the X. And great, I've got my image. In this case, I wanted to flip it because I wanted to be pointing the other way, but and then you can adjust the size. Now, bonus. If you want to make this really stand out, especially in a thumbnail or a social media image, you're going to click the edit button, and then we're going to go to effects, and this says shadows. My favorite shadow, so you can use an outline, so it can just put a solid black outline around me. You can do an angled shadow, a page lift, curved, drop. My personal favorite is the glow. And once we have the glow selected, you make it white, and then you can change the size, and you can change the blur effect. And you get that nice glow, which really draws attention, but without looking too funny. And then, of course, you can change the size of this image as well. One important thing to note is that this is a paid feature in Canva, so this crown indicates that you have to have a Pro subscription in order to use the background remover. I pay $119 per year for my Pro Canva subscription, and it is worth every penny. I create all of my Facebook posts, all of my YouTube thumbnails, really any kind of designs for my business are done in Canva. And with a Pro subscription, you get tons of stock photos and tons of features that make creating content super easy. So I'm not being paid to say this, but I highly recommend. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this helpful.